Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking creamy mushroom chicken. So let's start cooking. First we are going to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here a total of 480 grams of boneless chicken leg, cut into halves like this. We add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a few dashes of grounded white pepper. Mix them up well together and we'll leave them in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. Remember to leave them at room temperature for half an hour before we cook them. I'll see you back in a while. I have marinated the chicken for 2 hours or so. Before frying it, we'll coat it with plain flour first because we want it to be crispy. Put it over the plain flour. Make sure it's coated well and dust off any excess flour. Continue to finish up the rest. When you have coated them well, we'll rest them for 10 minutes or so that the flour can stick on the chicken better. I'll see you back in a while. Let's proceed to fry our chicken now. This wok is from La Gourmet. It's a 30 cm nitridine wok. Heat it up, add in a good amount of oil. We need a little bit more oil because we want our chicken to be crispy. Swirl the oil around. I'm using medium heat now. We'll put our chicken skin side down. Don't move them. We'll fry them for a couple of minutes before we turn it to the other side. I'll show you how they look like in a while. I'll be frying the chicken for a while. Let's just give this a look. Now we just want it to be like this. Very nice brown. Turn this to the other side. And now we'll reduce the heat down to medium-low because we want to cook this through. And we'll continue to cook it until it's done. This will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes up, let's turn up the heat a little bit higher now. We just want to brown the other side too. This is how it looks like now. It's almost done. The fats are already rendered from the chicken, so the oil is very fragrant. We'll use the same oil to fry our mushroom. Right, our chicken is done now. Let's just remove them from heat. Turn the heat off. We'll set them aside. We will now remove any burnt bits from the pan. Using medium heat, we'll fry our shallots. 3 pieces of shallots chopped. Fry them until fragrant. Once you can start to smell them, we'll add in our mushroom. I'm using button mushroom here, 220 grams, sliced thinly like this. Put everything in. If you do not have shallots, you can replace them with onions. You can use red or yellow onions, no problem at all. We'll fry them and brown them a little bit because there's moisture in mushrooms. Do this first before adding in butter. Our mushroom have browned and they are very soft now. We'll add in our butter now. Add in 10 grams of unsalted butter. Mix it up well. Of course you can use salted butter, but you just need to moderate the salt. Turn the heat to medium-low now and add in 80 milliliters of evaporated milk. Add in also 100 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. This is optional. If you don't want to use it, fine too. Mix everything up. Turn the heat up to medium back again. We'll wait for this to come to a boil first before we add in our cheese. When it starts to boil, we'll add in our cheese. Depending on how creamy or cheesy you want it to be, you can add in 1 or 2 pieces. I'll be adding in 2 pieces because I love the taste of cheese in my mushroom cream. Melt them up. Once they've melted up, we'll give this a taste. Very nice. You'll need to add in a little bit of salt. We'll be adding in half a teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted butter, please reduce the salt. And some white pepper, some grounded white pepper will be good. We'll add in our chicken. Turn the heat down to medium-low and we'll cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 3 minutes is up and the dish is done. Let's turn off the flame and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. I've blanched some French beans to make this meal complete. Let's just give this a taste. Very nice, creamy, cheesy. I love this so much. The chicken is very well marinated. The flavor is fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now, it's your turn to cook. Thank you and see you again.